Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create this elegant text portrait with PixelLab. Without wasting much time, let's open PixelLab and get started. We'll start by creating a bunch of texts we're going to be using for this effect. Here I'm just going to use any of the text in the quote list, but you can choose to type in your own customized texts. Change its color to black and reduce the line spacing in between the lines. Then make copies of it and distribute it around the entire canvas. Once you're through, change the background from white to transparent, and save it as a PNG image. Now create a new project and import your image. This technique best works with a black and white image on a black background, but if your image is colored, then you'll have to go to color filter and reduce the saturation down to 0. With the image selected, go to texture and select the text image we initially created. Now scale it to your desired preference. I think 80% works just fine for this portrait. And that's it. One simple text portrait effect. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it or learned something new. If so, please don't hesitate to leave a like, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.